Rustic seating areas, embracing nature's beauty in your backyard. Introduction: the charm of rustic seating areas. In an increasingly fast-paced world, creating a tranquil escape in your backyard is more important than ever. Rustic seating areas offer a perfect blend of comfort and natural beauty, allowing you to connect with nature while enjoying quality time with family and friends. This video will guide you through the essentials of designing these inviting spaces, from selecting the right materials to incorporating the perfect decor elements. If you find inspiration in creating a rustic haven in your own backyard, make sure to subscribe to Decor Lab for more ideas, and don't forget to like and comment to let us know your thoughts. Choosing the right location. The first step in designing your rustic seating area is selecting the ideal location. A great spot should not only be visually appealing but also functional. Look for a level area with enough shade to keep you cool during the hot summer months. Ideally, you should choose a space that is close to existing trees or foliage, which can add to the rustic charm and provide natural privacy. Consider the view as well. Positioning your seating to face a beautiful landscape or garden can significantly enhance the ambience. Additionally, ensure that the area is easily accessible from your Selecting natural materials. When creating a rustic seating area, the choice of materials is crucial. Natural materials like wood, stone, and metal will harmonize with the outdoor environment and evoke a warm, inviting feel. For wooden furniture, consider reclaimed wood for its history and character. It not only contributes to sustainability but also adds unique texture and visual interest to your seating area. Stone elements, such as a fire pit or a low wall, can provide a sturdy foundation and a natural aesthetic. Incorporating metal. Designing comfortable seating. Comfort is paramount in any seating area. Select furniture that encourages relaxation, such as oversized chairs, benches, or even a rustic swing. Cushions made of weather-resistant fabrics can add comfort while allowing for easy maintenance. When designing your seating arrangement, aim for a conversational layout that promotes interaction among guests. Circular or semicircular arrangements can foster a sense of togetherness. Consider the height of the seating as well. Lower seating can create a more casual and inviting atmosphere, while higher seating can offer Incorporating natural elements. Incorporating natural elements into your rustic seating area can enhance its beauty and charm. Surrounding your seating with native plants or flowers will create a lush, inviting environment. Consider adding potted plants or vertical gardens to bring greenery closer to your seating. Additionally, features like water fountains or small ponds can introduce calming sounds and attract local wildlife, making your space feel more alive. Natural elements like rocks, pebbles, or bark can be used as decorative accents, further grounding your seating area in the natural world. Creating shade and shelter. To enjoy your rustic seating area throughout the day, consider ways to create shade and shelter. Options like pergolas, trellises, or large umbrellas can provide respite from the sun while adding architectural interest to your outdoor space. Climbing plants such as wisteria or ivy can be trained to grow over these structures, creating a natural canopy that enhances the rustic feel. Additionally, a fire pit or outdoor heater can extend the use of your seating area into cooler evenings, making it a year-round destination for relaxation and socializing. Lighting your rustic oasis. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood for your rustic seating area. Soft, warm lighting can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings. Consider using string lights, lanterns, or even solar-powered garden lights to illuminate the space. Pathway lights can help guide guests to your seating area, adding both safety and charm. For a touch of whimsy, consider incorporating fairy lights into your surrounding foliage or hanging them from overhead structures. A well-lit seating area invites you to linger and enjoy the beauty of the night sky. Adding personal touches. Personal touches can transform your rustic seating area into a unique reflection of your style and personality. Consider incorporating handmade elements like throw blankets, decorative pillows, or artwork made from natural materials. Vintage finds, such as an antique side table or an old trunk, can add character and charm. Additionally, family heirlooms or items collected during travels can create a narrative that makes the space feel truly yours. The goal is to create an environment where you feel comfortable and inspired, making seasonal decor and adaptability. As the seasons change, so can your rustic seating area. Embrace seasonal decor to keep the space fresh and inviting. In the fall, consider adding pumpkins and autumn leaves, while winter could bring cozy blankets and festive lights. Spring and summer can feature vibrant flowers and lighter fabrics. This adaptability not only keeps your area looking its best year-round but also allows you to celebrate the beauty of each season. Seasonal decor encourages creativity and engagement with your outdoor space, making it a delightful Conclusion: your rustic retreat awaits. Creating a rustic seating area in your backyard allows you to embrace nature's beauty while providing a cozy retreat for family and friends. By thoughtfully considering the location, materials, and design elements, you can craft an inviting space that reflects your personal style. Incorporating natural features, comfortable seating, and seasonal decor will ensure that your rustic oasis is a place of joy and connection. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your own backyard, please subscribe to Decor Lab for more ideas.